Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations? We have f of x plus 4 equals x squared plus x minus 2. I want to find f of x here. So when you consider the solution from here, so looking at this left hand side is a quadratic. So we have f of x plus 4 equals, suppose we try to factor out this. When we factorize this, here is what we have. We have this as x squared. So we are going to write this as plus x minus 2x minus 2. And what I did here is, it is just like 1. And if you say 1 minus 2, so a is going to give us minus 1. So which means that it is this one that is going to be plus, and we have this as minus. So this is great. So because a is just like the sum and a is the product, then let's try to factorize that one completely. We have f of x plus 4. So this equals x squared minus x. So we are going to group this, then plus 2x minus 2. So we also put this in bracket. And after this, we have f of x plus 4 equals, so what is common here is x. We factor out x, and into here we have x minus 1, plus also here we can factor out 2, so we have x minus 1. Then, so since we have x minus y is minus 1, we are going to combine their coefficients together. Then we have this as f of x plus 4 equals x minus 1, and here is x plus 2. So we have factored out this successively. Then we'll have this as domain. Our x plus 4 is our domain of these equations. I want to make sure that this is also looking as x plus 4. And what we do is we write this as f of x plus 4 equals x plus 4. So if you have this as x plus 4, and initially it was x minus 1. So which means we need to subtract 5 from this, and we put this in a bracket. And also for this one we have x plus 4. So what we are going to subtract here is 2. So to make our complete x plus 2. Then let's now try to replace x plus 4. If you replace x plus 4 with x, so this shows that we are going to have this as f of x equals x minus 5 multiplied by x minus 2. And we have to expand this out. X times x, that is x squared minus x times 2, we have 2x, minus 5 times x, that is 5x, plus 5 times 2, that is 10. Then we have our f of x equals x squared minus 2x minus 5. That gives us minus 7x plus 10. So here is the result to these functional equations for f of x, as we have initially f of x plus 4. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.